What's up, y'all? This is Sean again with another State Driven Media video. Today we are putting on the side splitters that I got from Vicrez. I got my guy Kenyata to help, and I'm going to be drilling in the holes needed for this basically like this splitter flare that I got on here. And basically you get the clamp, you get like a C clamp, you match up the holes to here, and from there you get it going. And again, this is the side splitter right here. I'm gonna do it for the first one, and I'm not gonna show you guys the second one because it makes no sense. So let's go. Herve, is it good?
Epic girl.
Take three. Take two. When Herve get us some goddamn power to this thing. Thank you, Herve.
Action. Okay, we good.
I'm gonna just let it run through. Fuck it. Last one. That's all she wrote. So now I'm gonna put now the holes are made. You can see right through them. I'm gonna put the little L brackets right there, and then we'll jack the car up and get that thing installed. All right, y'all, we are putting this together. We got the jack stands up. I got my brother helping me out. Got the homie Kenyata back there getting a light out of his Camaro. And you know his regular Herve here too. We're gonna try to drill this under. They only gave us 5 tapping screws for each side, so it's 10 in total.
That's what Facebook is for.
Is it straight on that side there?
You gotta hold all the way to the
Okay.
Line it up.
Hold on, no, sir. See now I'm short in the front now.
Sorry.
Yeah, so now I'm like a fingernail short.
Exactly.
That's fine. That's fine. I like that. That's fine. That's completely fine.
Screws are right there behind Sean's foot.
What you need? Screwdriver? Oh, you gonna do something else? So far, this is how it's gonna look. Sitting off the car. Hopefully you guys can see how this look. Appreciate the light, Kenyata. At the very least, I'll probably take some video in the morning and show you guys kind of set it up, how it looks. The iPhone is only putting out so much light. That looks good right there. Huh? Yeah, I'm still recording. Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say something big.
What you gonna say? Go ahead, say it. Let the world see how much of a dick you is. Go ahead. It's bright too. It's bright. It's showing you. Go ahead. Look at it. Go ahead. What you gonna say? What douchey shit you gonna say?
It's still slow.
Okay. Still slow, he says.
He's just going for looks.
Just going for looks, yeah? Yeah, you're right.
So when you gonna dyno your car, bro? Huh? When you gonna take it to the dyno and give me some
Nighttime stuff is happening.
What we need is like a big garage with AC.
No, don't worry about it, man. That's already in the process.
It's
of
all
my
right.
shop. My shop.
Yeah.
That's already in process
all-
of my shop. I already have the tools. I already have my mechanics. I already know who's going to be in my team. My team. Because trust is a very big part in my agenda.
Hey, it's hard to believe that we brothers, right? Like Herve is he's like our adopted brother, right? Like
No, he's not a brother. He's fucking our brother. Okay? Hi.
but he's like my blood.
What's up, bro?
And it's so crazy how boy, I swear to God, where's Alex at, man?
Alex is in Orlando. You gotta deal with me.
That's crazy. I can't
fuck?
wait, bruh.
What the fuck does that mean? Wow. What
Fuck
am I
away
doing?
from you.
Wow. You do that now.
So you see on that side, yeah, make it line like stop
Okay,
exactly
is it-
where
Yeah, because it should line up with the sticker, the clear.
completely line up.
Yeah.
Perfect. Talk to me real quick so I can help you out so you won't do all the work. No, this clear sticker right here that can't come off because if not, you got to do the whole paint job all over again. I'm gonna try to do it with my Z. Perfect. Talk to me.
Jesus Christ. All that?
Yeah.
I think you got it. Yeah, as long as it's on the line, you good.
All right.
Pull it back some. I think it's too far over, right? Herve,
That's what I want to make sure.
yeah, Herve, pull yours back some.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now it's lining
Oh
up.
yeah. Now it's lining up.
See,
Because the front,
yeah,
the
it was
front is.
off was the front. Yeah.
Okay.
So line the back up with the. There you go.
And there's a little piece under there. A side strip that you can line up with.
Yeah.
That's
I think you found it. Yeah.
Distance, yeah. Just a range.
Oh, you put it. You just drilling it in one time, Herve? Oh, okay. You can't see shit on this thing.
You good? Oh, we need like.
That's a dollar store one? I love my wife.
No. All right, man. Sorry. Thank you. What the fuck is this, man?
I love my wife. That is funny. Yo, he's like,
It's really like a Peggy Bundy scenario.
that shit is funny.
You almost lost a finger. Damn.
That's fine. I got insurance, man.
Oh, look at you.
Got insurance, man.
I'll tell you, when I lost my job, I lost everything.
Damn, bro.
Here's the weird part. I was under insurance under welfare while I was working at the airport. And then when I lost my job, welfare was like, hey, you're making too much money. We gotta cut you off.
Oh,
I just lost my job.
That's crazy.
motherfuckers.
The irony, bro. The irony.
This one done? Okay, I'm gonna let this one down. Okay. Let's move the jack up the labels.
Damn it.
Got an idea.
Can't see shit. Where's the light?
I'm trying to.
Where's the light?
No, I got an idea. Get the code view. Like if I can do it, so.
Right, let me see the light, broski.
He could probably do it. Like, fuck it.
Let me get the phone.
I wish I had that fucking other bit.
What is it drilling into in the car?
Nah, this thing right. Oh, the what you call it? The body kit. The side skirt. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And there's like a support frame or something on
Inside of
it.
the side skirt.
Which is
Put that
why
one
I'm
on.
like, man, it's sturdier than I thought it would be.
Right. Yeah. Put right
I
there.
got a very good angle, by the way.
Perfect. I just need something just good.